We are the student of PM Shri Kendriya Vidhalaya GCC RPF Punjab. Today we are here to represent our idea on Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Problem identification. Due to flood condition in many parts of India, people suffered in the previous days. Thousands of people get affected due to this flood, causing the loss of lives and properties. Solution. Our team has designed a system to develop a planned infrastructure in the area with disaster emergency alarm system to inform the public, to develop an app on mobile that can give a prior identification of flood, effective drainage system to reduce waterlogging, plantation of trees so that risk of flood may get reduced. This is our model. Thank you.